Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and in today's video we're gonna be doing my crusty nails. Ew! Yeah, I know, girl. So before I start doing anything, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my regular nail polish. I just threw on some regular nail polish on my nails just to hold me over while I was doing some press-ons, and they got so disgusting. I didn't have no regular nail polish top coat, so they were just all deformed, disgusted, and chipped, and that it was just not pretty.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, I think got this, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, I think got this, put it in the song, alright.
Okay, so I did my prep, and now I'm gonna move on to my application, which is just a Gel X application today. Do you guys see that cute little thing in the corner? That is my new Kuromi Apres Gel X light that just came off of their new collection with Hello Kitty and Friends. So I'm so excited to finally have it. Oh my god, I love it so much. But here I'm just etching the inside of my nail tip. My nail drill was not complying with me today, but I'm just etching the inside of my nail tip, just making sure it fits my nail, filing the sides if needed. Here I'm just taking a nail file and just getting my natural nails just one good last time. You don't have to do this if you went in with the e-file, but I didn't go in with the e-file very good on all of my nails, so I just went back in. And also, I would add another layer of dehydrator before going in with that builder gel, because I just went in with straight builder gel. Don't do that. Don't follow my direction. So yeah, that's all I did, was just put a coat of builder gel, and then I cured it, and then I put some builder gel in the tip, pressed it down to my nail, and if there was any flooding, I just took a brush and wiped it into the nail further. But yep, I'm just gonna let you guys watch it, and I'll come back.
Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the money.
Okay, just wanted to show you my Kuromi light again. It is from Apres nails, and they have the Gel X stuff. I need to do a updated haul with them because I have a lot of stuff I didn't show. Here's the new Kuromi tips. Super cute natural almond. Okay, now here's my nails after I did all the Gel X. And here are the nails after I did prep. I always put an extra layer of builder gel after I file, shape, buff, do all that. And I also file at the end so it doesn't look like they're very filed right here. I went back in at the end and I filed the crap out of my nails. So yeah, this is just a quick little tutorial I wanted to do on how I prep my nails. Oh, and here's my new LED light for my nail area. Love it so much. She's super cute. Okay, here's how the nails turned out with all of the bling. I need to do a tutorial on how I do my bling because I do it a certain type of way that usually people don't do it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video. But you can tell I'm really excited about my Kuromi light. Oh my gosh. And I just gotten it in the mail. This was my first time using it on any big project. So yeah, bye.
I know you got all dressed up for the club. Waiting on Nick, come pick you up.